तो स्वागत किया है मेरे यूट्यूब चैनल से और बात करेंगे आप लोगों के साथ टाटा कंज्यूमर प्रोडक्ट Q3 नेट प्रॉफिट रेजेस 36% टू रेस 384.5 करोड़ रेवेन्यू अप 15%. Tata Consumer Product revenue from operation rose by 15% to raise 5,112 crore in the December quarter of financial year 2026. Tata Consumer Products Ltd (TCPL) on Tuesday reported a 36.3% increase in consolidated net profit to raise 384.52 crore in the third quarter ended December 2025, helped by the higher sale at its domestic food business. The company had posted a consolidated net profit of 282 crore in the December quarter a year ago, according to a regulatory filing from TCPL, the Tata Group's FMCG arm. However, the bottom line was hit by a one-time surge of 22.86 crore tied to the recently enacted labor code. Its revenue from operation rose by 15% to reach 5,112 crore in the December quarter of financial year 2026. It was at rest 4,443.56 crore in the year ago period. The EBITDA earning before interest, tax, deprivation and the amortization was reported at 27.7% at rest 721.3 crore in the quarter to December, while it was at rest 564.7 crore in the year ago period. Margin was reported at 14.1% vs 12.7% YoY. The company's salt business recorded fourth consecutive quarter of double-digit growth in the tea businesses continued to grow with margin back in the normative range as the benefit of the lower input cost were passes on the consumer, while Tata Samparan accelerated its growth momentum and ready-to-drink businesses delivered robust performance. For the quarter, the international business revenue grew 11% in the constant currency terms, led by the strong coffee performance in the USA. Sunil D. Souza, Managing Director of and CEO of Tata Consumer Products, said the Q3 financial year 2026 marked another quarter of strong broad-based performance for the Tata Consumer Products, led by healthy volume-led growth and the sustained momentum across our core as well as growth business. Our India branded business delivered a double-digit underlying volume growth, which food and beverage continue on a strong trajectory driven by strong execution, portfolio expansion, and the premiumization.